Welcome to Bird Paradise. Over here we have 8 large walk-through aviaries, each representing a different habitat from around the world. To help you enjoy your stay, here are some aviary do's and don'ts.
Alright, so if you want to see what's happening on the inside, eyes on the screen. Look at you, Higgins. Well done. That's Katie.
That's Katie, that's you. Oh, my husband. Good job.
And with that, everyone, let us give Katie, Higgins, and your wonderful trainers a big hand. But for that, Katie, Katie, to fly back home. Yes? Come on. All right. There you go. Once again, let's give them a big hand over. Thank you. Oh, Elite, that's not the rooster. There's your rooster.
This small bird here,
Uh-huh.
that's an Amazon parrot.
So, you don't believe me?
Of course not.
Okay, why don't you just stay here and you watch this, okay?
Okay.
Let me turn on the microphone so that everyone can hear her. Hi, you want to show her how you do the rooster? See, you believe me now?
Yes, the rooster.
Alright everyone, let's meet Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. Alright Quincy, since there's so many of them here today, right? Shall we welcome everyone? Ready? You heard that? She said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. We'll do this one more time, okay? Welcome them. There you go! Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay, let's try another animal sound, okay? Show them how you do the cat. The cat. There you go, that's the cat. Okay, and how about the ringing telephone? There you go. Can we give Quincy a big round of applause? Thank you.
That was adorable. So when parrots let them copy sounds in the wild, they are mimicking their family members. And when they copy human sounds, they're simply mimicking what they hear around them.
That's right. So in this case, both Quincy's and Amigo's family are a Pandai star.
Alright, let's see what this little parrot here has to say. Let's start with a simple hello. Yeah. That's right, he's a yellow named Amazon. And he's going to tell you his name. Amigo! Did you catch that? Amigo. One more time, your name? Amigo! Amigo has a very cheerful voice. How else can you greet all these nice people? How are you feeling today? Good? Wow, nice to hear. Amigo here is really smart and he's going to sing us a song right now. Anyone celebrating a... Have a few hands in the crowd. Very good. How about from over here? Okay, I think they're all in the middle. For all who are celebrating your birthday today, listen, okay, amigo? You know what to do. Thank you for celebrating your birthday.
Very loud, right? So please think twice. Actually, no. Think about 100 times before you get yourselves a pet parrot, okay? So with that, once again, let's give Quincy and Amigo another round of applause. Thank you.
Now, every year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are sold.
Team already. Elmo, come on, join us on stage. Right over here. Everyone's waiting for you. Come on. There you go. Nice. So what Elmo's going to do for us, he's going to fly through our giant fruit room. Ready? Let's go.
Wow! Toucans are known for their incredible strength and stability. In the wild, they are known to fly through, yes, in the rainforest, and in this case, it will be our giant fruit loop. Shall we do that again, Elmo? Back to Mitra.
There you go, well done. And with that, let's give Kellogg's for sponsoring Wings of the World.
Right now, we're going to meet Asia's iconic species of hornbill. We are talking about the Oriental Pied Hornbill.
Alright, so right now we start, we have Oris. Now Oris here has a very heartwarming story. He fell out of his nest when he was a chick and then he hurt his spine. So in the wild, he wouldn't have survived. But right here, in the bird paradise, we nursed him back to health and he has now a safe, permanent home with us.
Oh, that's a very special story about Oris. Thank you for sharing. Now there are two major differences between the hornbill and the toucan. Toucans, like Elmo, can be found in Central and South America. Hornbills can be found in Africa and Asia. Hornbills, they have a unique feature on top of their beak. It's called a cusp. It can be rather small or large, but colorful. I think I have something else. Very good. Now, did you know that hornbills have 3 toes in front with broad soles? Toucans have 2 toes in front and 2 toes at the back. This gives them the strength and stability to hop up and down perches. About you, Mitra.
Alright, so let's talk about their tongues, okay? Hornbills, they have shorter tongues, but both birds, they can actually toss fruits back into their mouths. So I'm going to demonstrate that first with Elmo. Ready? Catch!
Okay, how about Oris? Ready? And catch! Now these birds are also known to catch insects in mid-flight. So Elmo is going to demonstrate for us that first. Ready now, Elmo?
Count 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa! Good job! Okay, just in case you missed that, it's Oris' turn. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up goes the fruit! Whoa! Thank you very much, Oris, our Oriental Pied Hornbill, and Elmo, our Toco toucan. They are one of the largest flying hornbills that you can find in this region. Mitra will be going around with Vicky. Please do not run towards her. Now in Borneo, in one of the places where hornbills can be found, the villagers believe that if a hornbill were to fly over your village, that means you'll be blessed with.
Okay, so what Sunny is doing right now, he's gathering fruits to feed the female back in the nest cavity. Alright, so Sunny, whenever you are ready, spread your beautiful wings and fly! Okay, let's try that again. Spread your beautiful wings and fly! There you go. Okay, so what he's doing now, he's feeding the female through that very small gap. Okay, so if you cannot see this loving gesture, everyone, eyes on the screen. Okay, so this is the female hornbill checking out the surroundings first to see if it's safe, and if she likes it, she hops right in. You like it? In she goes. And then this is the male hornbill feeding the female through that very small gap. So this nesting behavior is shared with almost 62 species of hornbills in the world. And with that, it's time for Sunny to head back home. Sunny? Oh, it's all the way back there. Come on. You want to go back home? You want to stay right there? Come on, Sunny. There you go. And with that, let's give Vicky and Sunny a
Now the enrichment device that they are holding on to is called a monkey feast. It is a rope tied into knots, and in those knots we have hidden treats for our birds to find. Now corneas, they were once widespread and are now endangered. There are more corneas in people's homes than in the wild. So please remember, do not keep them as pets. And in the world there are over 40 species of corneas, and apart from that monkey beast, we have 2 different species. Okay, so the ones with the yellow feathers, more yellow feathers, those are our sun corneas, and that one with the green feather, that is our Jade cornea. Okay, looks like they're still finding for treats. Hey guys, you all can head back home anytime you are ready. Ready? Not ready yet? Okay, so I will let everyone, let's give it up.
Now these birds, they use their massive bills and short pouches to scoop up fish. Interesting, right?
Very nice. Let's watch them fly again. Longitudinal birds that rose and fly for hundreds of kilometers for up to 24 hours without stopping. Very good stamina. Eagles.
Now lightweight, but their wingspan from wingtip to wingtip can measure up to 9 feet long. Yeah, so something like that, right?